So I'm fielding a ton of questions right now about how the broker agency compensation is affecting my buyers that are pre-approved. This change went into effect on August 17th, and sellers may opt to not offer to pay the broker who represents you, the buyer. You're the buyer's agent. The typical fee has been around 2.5%. It is negotiable, and that's off the sales price. Lenders are allowing the buyer to roll in their realtor cost, and the seller is also allowed to give a credit for that cost, thus preventing the buyer from coming out of pocket for an expense that they may not have or may not be able to pay. While much has been made about this change in the industry, many sellers continue to offer to pay the co-broker fee to the buyer's agent, as more buyers means more offers and a higher sales price. If the seller opts not to pay the fee, it can be rolled into the price of the home and the seller can give the buyer a credit. It will be business as usual if the real estate agents understand the new terminology and the new opportunities that they can give to their buyers so they are not paying out of pocket. It will be business as usual in the real estate market if the agents and all parties are properly educated on the changes on what is allowed.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.